Hi guys, this is Dr. Wagnon from Better Life Chiropractic. Have you ever had hip pain, low back pain, or trouble holding your adjustments? Well, I have an easy home tool you can use to help with those things. It's called a foam roller. Use this at your house and it helps decrease muscle tension, tightness, or trigger points, which can hold patients back in their care, cause low back pain to be more frequent, cause hip pain to be more frequent. And so having this inexpensive home tool is great for just about everybody to use. Now I'm going to sit down and show you how to use this now. Okay guys, so we're going to actually sit on the foam roller to start with. We're going to be working both sides, and you're just going to simply sit down on the foam roller, put one of your ankles on your opposite knee. You're going to hang on to that side, and then you're going to lean the opposite way with your other hand supporting. Start on your sit bone, and you're going to roll all the way up to the top of your hip, and then roll all the way back down. Roll all the way up, and all the way back down. So for a better view, I'm actually going to do the other side, and we're going to do it sideways so you can see it a little differently. Here we go, and same idea. We're going to put this ankle now on the opposite knee. I'm going to lean to the left, and we're going to start at the sit bone, roll all the way up to the top of the hip, roll all the way back down to the sit bone, and then all the way back down to the top of the hip. And I would normally repeat that 10 times. Now when you first start using the foam roller, it may be a little bit difficult because it's sore. And so go at your own pace, but what I typically recommend is that you try to do 10 repetitions on each side every day. And it does take a few weeks to get those knots and muscle spasms and tightness fixed. Also, if you want more information about chiropractic, or if using a foam roller is a good option for you, feel free to give us a call. Our phone number is 208-884-5000, or you can find us at betterlifechiro.net as well. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you know anybody who needs this information, please feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching.